Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about two words that look almost identical, sound very similar, but have different meanings and are used in completely different situations. Those two words are ENSURE and INSURE.
Using the wrong one, especially in professional or formal writing, can make your message unclear. So today we are going to look at what each word means, how to use each one correctly, what mistakes to avoid, and we will give you plenty of examples and practice. Let us start with ENSURE. What does ENSURE mean?
ENSURE means to make certain that something happens or is the case, to guarantee something, to make sure of something. When you ensure something, you are taking action or putting something in place so that a particular result or outcome definitely happens.
So, ENSURE is about making something certain, guaranteeing a result.
Exactly. Please ensure that all windows are closed before you leave. You are making certain the windows will be closed. We must ensure the safety of all passengers. We must make certain that passengers are safe. She ensured the project was completed on time. She made certain it was finished. In all of these, ensure is about making a specific result happen or be true.
And ENSURE is followed by a specific structure. What comes after ENSURE?
Ensure is most often followed by that plus a clause. Ensure that something happens. Ensure that everything is ready. Ensure that the door is locked. The that can sometimes be left out in informal speech. Ensure everything is ready. Ensure the door is locked. But the that structure is the most formal and most correct version.
So the main structure is ENSURE plus that plus subject plus verb.
Yes. Please ensure that all forms are submitted before the deadline. The manager ensured that every team member understood the plan. We need to ensure that this does not happen again. In every case, there is a result or outcome that is being made certain.
And ENSURE can also be followed by a noun phrase directly.
Yes, in some cases. Ensure the safety of everyone. Ensure the quality of the product. Ensure the success of the event. In these cases, ensure is followed directly by a noun phrase. But the ensure that plus clause structure is more common and more versatile.
Now, who or what is usually the subject of ENSURE?
ENSURE often has a person, organization, or system as its subject. Something responsible is actively making a result certain. The government must ensure fair treatment. The company ensured the quality of its products. Please ensure your passport is valid before traveling. Ensure implies effort and intention. You're not just hoping for a result, you are actively making it happen.
Now let's talk about INSURE. What does INSURE mean?
INSURE has a much more specific meaning. INSURE means to take out or provide insurance. Insurance is a financial agreement where you pay a regular amount of money to a company, and in return, the company promises to pay you if something bad happens to you, your property, your health, or your business.
So, INSURE is specifically about the financial and legal concept of insurance.
Exactly. I need to insure my car before I drive it. The car is covered by an insurance policy. They insured the building for £2 million. They took out an insurance policy worth $2 million. She is insured against illness. There is an insurance policy that covers her if she becomes ill. The company insures thousands of homes across the country. The company provides insurance for those homes.
So, INSURE is always connected to money, risk, financial protection, and insurance policies.
Always. If the context does not involve insurance policies, premiums, financial coverage, or risk protection, the word is almost certainly ensure, not insure.
And INSURE has its own specific vocabulary that surrounds it.
Yes, key words in this world. Insured means covered by insurance. Insurer is the company providing it. Premiums are your regular payments. A claim is when you ask for a payout. A policy is the contract. All of these connect to insure and the world of financial protection.
So, INSURE lives in the world of finance, risk, and legal protection.
Yes, it's a technical word for a very specific situation. Anytime money is being paid to protect against risk and loss, the word is insure.
Now let's compare them directly, side by side.
Please ensure that you lock the door. Ensure means make certain the door will be locked. Please insure the door makes no sense because a door on its own is not something you take out an insurance policy on. She ensured the success of the event. She made certain the event would succeed through her actions. She insured the event. She took out event insurance to protect against financial loss if it was canceled. We must ensure all employees are trained properly. Make certain training happens. We must insure all employees against workplace injury. Take out insurance to cover employees financially if injured. At work. Same context, completely different meanings.
Now, let's also mention pronunciation because the difference is actually there if you listen carefully.
Ensure is pronounced ensure. The stress is on the second syllable, ensure. Insure is pronounced insure, also stressed on the second syllable, insure. In fast speech, they sound nearly identical, but in careful speech, the first syllable is slightly different. Ensure starts with en, insure starts with in. That spelling difference is the clearest signal. En for ensure, making things certain, in for insure, insurance and financial protection. And a helpful memory trick. Insure has insurance hiding inside it. Insure and insurance both start with insure. So when you think of insurance, you think of insure. Anytime you're in the world of money, premiums, and policies, use insure.
That's a brilliant trick. Insure has insurance inside it. The letters INSURE are the beginning of insurance, so they're connected both in meaning and in spelling.
And for ensure, think of it as making something sure. En plus sure. To make something sure or certain. Ensure equals make sure. En plus sure.
N plus sure equals ensure. That's such a clean memory device.
2 tricks. Ensure equals make sure. Insure contains insurance. Those 2 memory connections will guide you to the right word almost every time.
Now let's look at some additional uses and natural sentences for both words.
Ensure is very common in instructions, policies, and formal communication. Please ensure all safety equipment is worn. The team must ensure high standards are maintained. In academic and professional writing, researchers must ensure their data is accurate. The policy aims to ensure equal opportunities for all. Insure in sentences about money and risk. Have you insured your new laptop? The gallery insured the paintings for millions. They're insured against flood damage. And insurance appears alongside insure constantly. Take out insurance, pay insurance premiums, make an insurance claim, car insurance, life insurance, health insurance.
Now let's also mention assure because it's a third related word that learners sometimes confuse with the other two.
Assure means to tell someone something confidently to remove their doubt or worry. I assure you everything will be fine. She assured him the results were correct. Assure is about giving confident words to calm someone, not about making something happen, and not about insurance. So ensure makes things happen, insure provides financial protection, assure tells someone confidently to reassure them.
What is the first and most common mistake?
The first mistake is using insure when you mean ensure. Saying, please ensure the report is submitted on time. Submitting a report on time is not an insurance matter. You cannot take out a policy on submitting reports. The correct word is ensure. Please ensure the report is submitted on time.
So, whenever you mean make certain or make sure, the word is always ensure. If there is no financial risk protection involved, it is not insure.
The second mistake is using ensure when you mean insure in financial contexts. Saying, I need to insure my car. Your car needs insurance coverage, not a guarantee of something. The correct word is insure. I need to insure my car.
The third mistake is using assure instead of ensure. Saying, I will assure you that this gets done means you will tell someone confidently about it. But if you mean you will make certain it gets done, the word is ensure. I will ensure that this gets done.
The fourth mistake is not following ensure with the correct structure. saying, ensure the door or ensure everything without completing the thought. Ensure needs a complete clause after it. Ensure that the door is locked. Ensure everything is in order. The result or outcome must be stated clearly.
The fifth mistake is thinking insure and insurance are unrelated. Some learners use insure but do not realize it connects directly to insurance. If you are not talking about the financial product called insurance, do not use insure. The connection is direct and inseparable.
The sixth mistake is using insure in a general sense, meaning to protect or guarantee something. Saying, this system ensures high quality. In standard English, that is non-standard. The correct word for guaranteeing quality is ensure. This system ensures high quality. Insure is strictly for financial insurance. Ensure is for guaranteeing results through action.
The seventh mistake is confusing the past tenses, saying she ensured everything would be fine instead of she ensured everything would be fine. Ensuring that everything would be fine is making it certain. Ensuring it would require an insurance policy on the situation, which makes no sense.
Let us now do a practice round.
First one, please blank that all lights are switched off before you leave.
The answer is ensure. Please ensure that all lights are switched off. You are making certain the lights will be off. This is not an insurance matter.
Second one, have you blank your new bicycle yet?
The answer is insured. Have you insured your new bicycle yet? You are taking out an insurance policy to financially protect the bicycle. Insure is correct.
Third one, the manager must blank that the team meets the project deadline.
The answer is ensure. The manager must ensure that the team meets the deadline, making certain the deadline is met through action and oversight. Ensure.
Fourth one, they blank the artwork for over £5 million before the exhibition.
The answer is insured. They insured the artwork for over £5 million, taking out an insurance policy on the artwork. Insure is correct.
Fifth one, I blank you that we will do everything in our power to fix this.
The answer is assure. I assure you, giving confident words to remove doubt and worry. Assure is used for this, not ensure or insure.
Sixth one, you should blank your luggage when traveling abroad.
The answer is insure. You should insure your luggage, taking out travel insurance to cover your bags. Insure is correct.
Seventh one, can you blank that the meeting room is booked for Thursday?
The answer is ensure. Can you ensure that the meeting room is booked, making certain the booking happens? Ensure.
Ninth one, the company blank all its vehicles and equipment.
The answer is insures. The company insures all its vehicles and equipment. The company takes out insurance policies on those things. Insure is correct.
10th one, we need to blank the quality of every product that leaves this factory.
The answer is ensure. We need to ensure the quality, making certain quality standards are met through process and action. Ensure.
10th one, she blank the team that the client was satisfied with the results.
The answer is assured. She assured the team. She gave them confident information to remove their worry. Assure. Perfect. All 10 correct. Those examples really show the clear boundaries of each word.
Yes, and 2 simple questions guide almost every choice. Is this about financial protection and insurance policies? Use insure. Is this about making something certain through action or putting systems in place? Use ensure. Is this about telling someone confidently to remove their worry? Use assure.
Let us do the final summary.
Ensure means to make certain that something happens, to guarantee a result or outcome through action or planning. It is used in all contexts where you want to say make sure or guarantee.
Ensure plus that plus clause. Please ensure that everything is ready. Or ensure plus noun phrase. Ensure the safety of everyone. Ensure is very common in formal writing, instructions, policies, and professional communication.
Insure means to take out or provide insurance, a financial product that protects you against loss or damage in exchange for regular payments. Insure is used only when the context involves insurance policies, premiums, and financial risk protection. Have you insured your car? The building is insured for $2 million. Insure contains insurance both in spelling and in meaning. Anytime you are in the world of money, risk, and financial protection, insure is your word.
Assure means to tell someone confidently to remove their doubt or worry. I assure you everything will be fine. She assured him the results were correct.
Memory tricks to remember. Ensure equals make sure. EN plus sure. Insure contains insurance. INSURE is the beginning of insurance. Use insure only when insurance is involved.
The biggest mistakes to avoid. Never use insure when you mean make certain. If there is no financial insurance involved, the word is ensure. Never use ensure when you mean financial insurance coverage. The word there is insure. Never confuse assure with ensure. Assure is about confident words. Ensure is about making results happen.
Two very similar words with very different worlds. Ensure lives in the world of action, certainty, and guarantees. Insure lives in the world of finance, risk, and protection. Know which world you are in, and the right word becomes obvious.
That's all for today. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next one.
You are doing brilliantly. Keep going.